Now we have some buttons here on the side of the steering wheel. So we're gonna start at the top here. So now these are all for the side spot lamps. So you can turn them on and off right from inside the truck. Drop down the back tailgate is this button here. This is the rear bed light. Now this is actually gonna operate all the headlights. So off, parking, automatic headlamps, headlamps on, and then actual brightness and dimness of the interior lights on the dash. So this is how you turn them up and down. Now this is your new parking brake. Electronic on this, so pull sets the parking brake to on. Foot on the brake, press down will turn it off. And then your interior pedal adjustments. Left or right? Okay. So on the steering wheel, just starting here at the top, now this is all your cruise control settings. So this has lane keep system on and off, your cruise control on and off, and then to set your speeds, and then cancel or resume, your volume buttons for the radio, voice activation buttons. So this is where you can give all your truck's commands while you're driving. You don't have to be focusing on the screen. If you wanted to call somebody, just hit that button, let it say it's prompt, and then you just say call, give it a name in your address book, tell it to dial a specific phone number, horn, and then all these here on the right side, these all control either the center screen. So this is where you're going to get into different views, driver assistance, your fuel economy, the trip settings. But you can go through all that, all your truck info. You need to know your tire pressure, your off-road settings, how much oil life you have, seat belts. This goes through everything. And then of course at the very bottom of this on the steering wheel, you have your answer and hang up button for the phone. And then of course your search or your flip through your presets for your stereo. So you have a lot of control over your truck, either in the center stack or up here what you're looking at, just based on how you're operating the steering wheel. So I really appreciate everyone taking the time to watch this video and hanging out with me today. If you liked what you saw here, please like and subscribe to the page. And thanks everyone.